Hey YouTube, this is JJ Flux here, and I've got a little unboxing that I'm going to do today. It's from DDM, Dave's Discount Motors. Let's get into it. I'm really excited. No surprises. Empty. So we got here, we got a wrench kit from DDM. That looks pretty mad. That is definitely going to get some use. From Killer RC, I've got the extended battery boxes and a light bar for my dbxl losi dbxl, because the battery boxes that are actually in the dbxl aren't that tall and don't allow you to put, you know, large battery like a LiPo battery in there. Spare spark plug lead, which will come in handy. And two pull cords from Killer RC. One of them. Oh, hang on a second. Like a Batman t-shirt. I'm going to be changing over into this spare pull cord that I've got laying around, and the other one's going straight into the car. So I've got that ready. I've got a piston stop, silver piston stop. It's not going to focus. It's also from DDM. Now this looks sick. And I got these braces from Bartolone. Yep, Bartolone Racing. That's brace for the front and brace for the rear. And they come with a little sticker, which is awesome. I'll stick that on the car, maybe on the battery case. Now, pretty sure I ordered a battery. Let's have a look. Yep, I did. It was a Killer RC 3200. Yep. That would run all day. You wouldn't even have to change it. It looks a little big. Let's see how it goes. And there's the top brace. I ordered a top brace, and that's from DDM Racing. Lots of goodies here. Now this is the exciting one. Yeah. This is the head kit. Which head kit is this? It's not telling me. ASP modified G3. It's a 36mm kit. Comes with everything: piston, spark plug, gaskets, grub screw. Comes with everything. Even a little instruction book. A little instruction, which is there. I'm not going to go ripping it apart now. My next video, I'm going to be doing just a how-to on how to put these braces on, which will just be a quick little video. How to put the front and rear and the top brace just quickly. And yeah, that's it for this video. Give you a close-up on all the goodies. That's all of them there. All from DDM, Dave's Discount Motors Racing. They're good. I'm in Australia. I ordered them last week. They pretty much get them over me really quickly. Alright people, I'm JJ Flux. Please like, subscribe, comment. Peace out.